Hello Outdoor Chef family. Today, we're making some amazing buns that will impress outdoor food lovers and are incredibly easy to prepare even at home. 500 milliliters of lukewarm water. 2 teaspoons of salt. 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar. 40 grams of fresh yeast or 10 grams of dry yeast. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 1 egg. 1 kilogram of bread wheat flour, sifted beforehand. Knead into a soft and elastic dough using a mixer. Let the dough rest at room temperature for 30 to 40 minutes to rise, covering it with a cloth. Divide 110 grams into equal parts. Don't forget to subscribe to our Outdoor Chef channel. Turn on notifications to stay updated on our next recipes. Don't want to miss out on outdoor flavors? Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Every like and comment inspires us.
Place the dough you prepared on a baking tray lined with parchment paper and leave them to rise for another 40 minutes. Cover them with a clean cloth in a room at room temperature.
Separate the egg white and yolk, then use a brush to apply it on the bread. Ready to discover new flavors? Subscribe to our Outdoor Chef channel. Don't forget to like the video and share your thoughts about the recipe in the comments. Sprinkle sesame seeds on the bread. I used both white and black sesame seeds. If you liked our recipe, hit the like button, support us with your comments, and join the outdoor chef journey by subscribing to our channel. Bake in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius, 347 degrees Fahrenheit, until golden brown on top.